This AI tool can generate viral captions for your Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and long-form videos in seconds. And the crazy part? They actually look like the captions top creators use. I tested it on both short clips and long videos, and the accuracy was honestly way better than I expected. So if you've been looking for a free tool that creates clean, high-quality captions without spending hours editing manually, this is going to save you a ton of time. The tool is called CaptionBolt, and today I'm showing you exactly how it works. So let's jump straight in. Open any browser on your phone or computer, type CaptionBolt, and hit search. The first website you'll see is CaptionBolt. I'll also leave the link in the description. Now the first thing you want to do is create an account. Click Login, and you can sign up using your email or your Google account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in real quick. Once you're inside, this is the dashboard you'll see, and this is where it gets interesting. CaptionBolt isn't just for captions. You also get AI viral clips, AI frame generation, AI transcripts, AI dubbing, and they're even adding AI avatars soon. But in this video, we're focusing on the AI captions feature. Now check this out. You get access to more than 300 caption styles, and they're all organized by categories like popular, social hype, storytelling, music, professional, and more. So finding a style that matches your content is super easy. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Right here, click AI Captions and upload a video. Pick the video you want captions for. And once it uploads, you'll see the language settings here. By default, it's set to auto-detect, which means the AI automatically detects the language in your video. But if you want, you can also manually choose a language yourself. For this example, my video is in English, so I'll just select English manually. Now click Upload and Transcribe. Watch this. The video starts uploading, and at the same time, the AI is already generating captions. And within just a few seconds, everything's done. You'll see all your subtitles generated right here. And the first caption style gets applied automatically. Let me play the clip for you.
What would you do? Like, what hacks would you put out to actually...
You can already see how clean these captions look. Super accurate, smooth animation, and really high quality. Now if you want to switch styles, it's literally one click. Click any style, and instantly the entire caption design changes. Different fonts, different animation, different vibe. So if I click this one, it applies that style. If I click another one, everything updates automatically. Personally, I like the first style better, so I'm switching back to that one. But here's the real game changer. You can fully customize everything manually too. Click Customize. Now you can change the font size, uppercase or lowercase text, colors, position, basically everything. For example, if I switch from uppercase to lowercase, the captions instantly update. But I'm going to keep them in uppercase because they pop more on screen. You can also change the caption color, reposition the text anywhere on the video, adjust letter spacing, line height, animation speed, stroke width, all of it. So instead of being locked into presets, you can fine-tune the captions exactly how you want them. Now watch this. Even though my video is in English, I can translate the captions into another language instantly. Click Transcribe, then choose your language. Let's say I want Hindi captions. I'll select Hindi, then hit Translate. And within seconds, the captions are fully translated. Let me play that again.
What would you do? Like, what hacks would you put out to...
So the video audio stays in English, but the captions are now in Hindi. And you can do this with basically any language. If you want to switch back, just select Original, and your original captions return instantly. Now here's another feature creators are gonna love. One-click emojis. Click Add Emojis, and the AI automatically adds relevant emojis directly into your captions. Let me show you. So now you're not just generating captions in one click, you're also adding emojis, translating captions, and customizing everything automatically. And that's not even the coolest part. CaptionBolt also lets you add AI-generated B-roll. Click the B-roll option, and you'll see three choices. First is AI mode, where the AI automatically inserts B-roll clips based on what's being said in your video. Second is search, where you can manually find your own B-roll. And third is upload, where you can add clips directly from your gallery. Let's test the AI option. I'll select AI, then click Suggest B-roll, and within seconds, the AI automatically adds matching B-roll scenes into the video. These clips right here, that's the AI-generated B-roll. Let me play it for you. So whatever topic is being discussed in the video, the AI detects it and adds matching visuals automatically. And yes, you can customize those too. For example, right now the B-roll is full screen, but if I switch to PIP mode, it instantly changes to picture-in-picture. You can swap any B-roll clip with alternate suggestions, or delete clips you don't want. Now let's move to resizing. Click Resize, and you can instantly convert your video into different aspect ratios. Right now the video is in 9:16, but if I switch to 16:9, it updates automatically. You can also use 4:5:1:1 or basically any format you need for different platforms. Next up is overlays. This lets you add things like progress bars directly into your captions. Enable Show Progress Bar, and you can customize the color, position, height, opacity, everything. You also get headline options. So if you want titles or text banners on screen, you can fully customize the font, size, colors, and background. And if you want to add your logo, you can do that too. Once everything looks good, click Export. The video will render for a few moments. And once it's done, you'll see the completed version right here. To save the video, click on it. Then download the MP4 file. Now let's watch the final result.
What would you do? Like, what hacks would you put out to actually grow it crazy?
It's just like,
So yeah, if you create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any kind of content, CaptionBolt is honestly one of the easiest ways to make your videos look way more professional. The captions are accurate, high quality, and they instantly make your content feel more engaging. Now, if we look at the pricing, there are multiple plans available. There's a free plan that gives you 10 minutes of caption generation every month. But there are a few limits. For example, you can upload videos up to 3 minutes long, and you only get access to 5 basic caption styles. If you want longer uploads, more styles, and advanced features, you can upgrade to the Starter Pro or Max plans. They also offer yearly plans, which make the pricing cheaper overall. And right now, there's also a discount offer available. If you use the link in the description to sign up for CaptionBolt, then apply the promo code you see on screen while purchasing a plan. You'll get 50% off your subscription. So definitely try the free version first. And if you like it, you can always upgrade later. Hopefully this tool helps you level up your videos and save a ton of editing time. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.